Hey guys, it's 1, 2, 3 Fox Girls AJPW here, and today I'm gonna be showing you this cool glitch that you could only do in the Arctic burrow den. Yes, it makes you float, and there's 2 ways you could do it. Let's get into it. Alright guys, the first step I'm gonna show you the most hardest way. So, yeah. So, you see the grayish blue rocks, right? You see brown on the other side. So, you have to go at the beginning of, like, the rocks. Then slide from the blue all the way to the brown. And then eventually you would get really high up. So I'm trying to work on it. Takes a couple tries to do that one. Oh, you gotta do it. Right, up, there we go. It was starting. Alright, you see you keep holding down at, you start going up, and you start getting really high where it doesn't let you anymore if you go any higher. It would teleport you. So yeah, that's the first way. Let's get on to the next way. Next way, you do the same thing. It's just you turn around and you walk. So this one's really easy. You just walk and then you would just start going up. You can't go up that high though. So yeah, those are the 2 glitches. I hope you enjoyed, my foxes. Bye!